All right guys, welcome back to Superior Products, and today we're gonna feature the silver package. So this is essentially the essentials. Works for both interior and exterior, and stay tuned. So we'll feature the products now. All right, so today we're gonna feature the Dirt Buster. This is a concentrated car wash soap, pH neutral. So anybody looking to use this in a bucket or a foam cannon, today we're gonna feature it in a foam cannon and show you the thick suds you can get from the Dirt Buster. All right, so this is a pretty big foam cannon. I filled it pretty much to the 5 here, and then the rest filled with water. So it's about a 1-to-5 ratio depending on the size of your foam cannon. All right, so today we're gonna feature the Easy Shine. This is essentially the quick detailer. It can also be used as a clay lubricant. So we're gonna use this as like a quick detailer on this VW today. And all you're gonna do is spray it on, wipe it off, buff off with the dry side. A little bit goes a long way, so just spray it on and use your towel. It's got a great scent. Use your dry side and buff in. The gloss. All right, today we're gonna feature Green All. So this is an all-purpose cleaner. You can use this on your vehicle. You can use this in your house. You can use this for your boat. This is literally an all-purpose cleaner. So today, this is ready to use. We're gonna use this on the interior, leather seats, door panels, center consoles, cup holders, you name it, you can use this to clean it. All right, so today we're gonna feature the interior dressing. This is actually the Aqua Gloss water-based dressing. We've got a clean interior or engine bay here that we're going to dress. So this is perfect for repelling dust, serves as kind of a UV protectant as well for your rubbers and plastics. So we're just gonna spray it on and spread it out. Most of the interior and exterior surfaces of your car. So today we're going to feature this on the door panel. You can either spray it on the door or spray it on a brush or an applicator. Today we're just going to spray it on and spread it out. You can use this on rubber mats, you can use this on trim, you can use this on engine bays, so very versatile, water-based. So today we're gonna feature it on these mats. All right, so today we're gonna feature the glass cleaner. This is an Aerosol, very good product. You'll see when I spray it on, it applies as a foam, helps break down any of the dirt, grime. This window is perfect. It's got a lot of child fingerprints and who knows what on it. Low VOC and leaves no residue. Also works for those of you with tinted windows. So come check it out. right, so today we're gonna use the OG. This is Coverall Aerosol. Spray on, no need to wipe off. No mess, no fling. If you live in a state that's VOC compliant, you can obviously get the VOC compliant version, but today we're gonna feature the standard. All right, guys, so we just wrapped up this detail for this beautiful VW blue SUV. Thanks for tuning in. Drop a comment below in which kit you think is going to be the best seller, and we'll see you next time.